What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today I'm going to be coming at you with a quick tutorial on how to use a stretched resolution on your Xbox One. Let's get right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
To this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified exactly when I upload, and comment down below. And now let's get into the video. Also, before this video, guys, starts, make sure you guys go head over to Tekin Hydra's YouTube channel. He subscribed to me and turned on notifications, so if you guys want a free shout out before every video, just subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell. And yeah, you could get a chance to win. Okay, guys, to start off the tutorial, you're going to want to make your way into the settings. Just click that. You're going to scroll down to display and sound, and then video output. Just click on that. Leave your resolution at whatever it's at, and you want to go to video fidelity and overscan. And you want to change this to, let me just see, I believe HDMI. Okay, guys, so after you change the input to HDMI, your TV will most likely go black or something. And then after this, you can basically just come down to your Xbox and hold the power button and the disc eject button at the same time. Just make sure your console's off when this happens, and then it'll basically activate low resolution mode. I did a tutorial on this, I think 2 videos ago, so if you guys are a little confused on that, you can go watch that video. But activate low resolution mode. It's going to bring you here, and let me just go back into settings so I can show you guys. Okay, so make your way into settings, and as you can see, like, the resolution is pretty bad, so I don't know why you'd want to do this, but it's just, I think some people prefer it. So as you can see, you're at this resolution right here, 640 by 480. It's a stretched resolution. So if we make our way into Fortnite, and I'll be back when it loads up. Okay, so I got Fortnite loaded up here. As you can see, it's low resolution, but it does have that stretched aspect ratio, so it's up to you if you want to use this. Honestly, I don't really see the benefit in using it. I think it's better for PC players because they can actually keep their 1080p resolution while doing this. But on here on the Xbox, you have to limit the resolution in order to do this. So I'll cut, and then I'll show you some gameplay with this. Okay, so as you guys can see, the frame rate's actually really solid. I think that's one of the main reasons you can do this, is because the frame rate's just so smooth. You're going to get a constant 60 frames per second no matter what, just because your resolution's going to be lower. Okay, so I died there. It's kind of hard to see people, honestly, on this game, but yeah, this is a pretty simple tutorial on how to play on stretched resolution. Just change your input to HDMI. It'll make your monitor TV go black. Activate your Xbox into low resolution mode. If you're confused on that, just go watch my previous video. It's pretty self-explanatory. That'll basically load up this resolution aspect ratio. What was it, 620 by 480 or something, or 640 by 480. Yeah. I guess some people like this because their FPS is boosted and apparently you can see more on your screen, but I think mainly this is more useful for PC, so I'm probably going to do a tutorial on that in the future. Yeah, let me know if you guys want to see a PC tutorial on how to play on stretched resolution. I can do that too. I'm pretty sure this works on PS4. I don't have a PS4, so I can't really show you. So yeah, that's going to be the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to be entered into a shout-out. Yeah, that's basically it. Go check out my other Fortnite tutorials, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.